Asus ZenBook 14 UX425. This AMD Ryzen-based ZenBook 14 UM425 is an excellent everyday portable laptop with a premium metallic construction, compact, and lightweight form factor, good inputs. Asus offer the UM425 series in a couple of configurations, with various amount of RAM 8 to 32 GB and storage up to 2 TB and Intel Optane 2 types of AMD Ryzen processors Ryzen 5 4500U, Ryzen 7 4700U. Keyboard and trackpad. I was disappointed when I found out that the UM425 doesn't get the same keyboard I've experienced on the Intel based with full-size keys, a wider set of keys at the right side, wider arrows, and an extra column of function keys. Screen. Asus offers two screen options for the ZenBook 14 UM425 series. Both are matte non-touch 14-inch IPS panels with FHD resolution, but one is a standard option with roughly 250 nits of max brightness. Asus hardware and performance. Our test model is a top-spec configuration of the Asus ZenBook 14 UM425IA, with an AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor and AMD Radeon Vega 7 graphics, 16 GB of LPDDR4X 3200 MHz memory and a mid-level 1 TB Intel 660 PPCIe X4 SSD.